Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, but today I have another cooking video for you. Today we're going to cook some red peas and gungo soup, so make sure and stay tuned to the end of the video, cause what, we're going to get it down in the kitchen. We're gonna break it down, have some fun in the kitchen, whatever people normally say. So we're going to chef up this soup. Yeah, so right now I'm just washing my red peas. The gungo is already boiled and in the freezer. So yeah, so all we need for boil now is the red peas, because you want to boil the red peas to get the color of the soup. So we're just sketching the amount of water we want in the pot. Alright, as you can see, this is how my peas is going on right now. Now I'm going to go ahead and put on the pig's tail. So I got my pig's tail right here in this bag. I purchased it from, I had it in the fridge for quite a while. When I use a light, we're going to only use this piece and put back this piece right here. So just wash it off, and then we'll put it to boil, because you want to boil the excess salt, because this is extremely salt. You let it catch the corn, so wash it off back. Put the water and pop it in there. So I'll smash the cover a little bit because you don't want it to boil over. We're going to make it boil for probably about 20 minutes, the max. So guys, just put the chicken foot them. I didn't bother even to chop them off because I don't remember who I saw cooking them, and them I say you don't have to chop them off completely because them still I go boil, like, and when them boil them I'll kind of to tear off or then separate themselves from the pot, something like that. So I'm gonna just go ahead and wash them up, clean them off more, and add them to the pot, and cut up the pig's tail and add it to the pot also. Let them go and boil. Them start boiling, and start adding the food and make sure how it go. I'm going to turn off the stove so the water now boil, but it's warm. When I come along, so I'm just adding the chicken foot and the pig's tail to it. Then I'm going to stir it and cover it and keep on boil. Oh, I'm gonna add some more water. It seems like I want more water. So I did went ahead and had the gungo in it, right? So right now we have the gungo, the peas, chicken neck, and pig's tail. Now we're going to add some pumpkin. Guys, I swear to you, a while ago I was wondering, oh my god, I can't bother to cut up my pumpkin. Going to the fridge, pumpkin already cut up. Thanks to Grizzly. Thanks, babe. So yeah, I'm gonna make the pumpkin go and cook in it. And in the meantime, I'm gonna cut up our round cup. I'm gonna go ahead and cut up the rest of the stuff them. I'm gonna get some pepper to add to it. So it's so great that the landlord plant pepper in the backyard, so some more people just come out the door, come get pepper. I don't like that one there. It look like a tree I go do. Wait there. Alright, I like when you have two colors. I like when my pot color full. Give me one more. Alright, that one right so. Looks like you can go on. So big up my landlord pepper tree. So I'm gonna drop them 3 pepper right in the pot. Cause I didn't love pepper. When you cook for him, you have to cook with thousands of pepper. If you don't have thousands of pepper, food can make it taste good for him. So guys, this is where my pot is at. My pot, my soup, pot of soup is at right now. I did went ahead and had the yam, sweet potato, carrots, Irish and dasheen. I did add some scallion. Now I'm going to add the corns and some dumpling. I'm so tired, that's why I didn't even bother to show you guys when I was cutting up the stuff, because I've been doing a lot today. So I'm going to top off the pot with some butter and cock soup. So y'all, topping it off with the cock soup right now. I haven't added any salt to it because, you know, there is pigtail in it. Salted butter, the butter that I had is salted, and this has salt. So I'm going to taste it, and then from there I can decide if it wants salt or not. But let me show you guys how much food is inside of it. So this is how much food is inside of it. Let me mix out the noodle, because if you don't mix out the noodle, it is going to thick up, and you don't want it to thick up. So yeah, we have corn, we have the yam here, the chicken foot, so we can find a pig still, because let me cut them small. What the pig still is? It's this is dasheen. I showed you the corn already. We have spinners, we call the little round one spinners, carrot, pepper. Oh, so one little piece of pig still right here, so see there? Right there, so yeah. Sweet potato in there too. So we can find some sweet potato, yeah, and Irish in there. I don't know all the good old stuff them, so I'm gonna decide now if it wants salt. So it could take a little salt. I don't know if that's all too much though, because you see the salt here, the grain them big. I'm afraid that bad. And once a little bit salt, or then I complain, she cookie soup so salt. So, but anyways, I don't think that's too much. I'm gonna cover it up, make it get thick and what to cook, finish cook out, and there you have it, guys. There you have it. Try to make my thumbnail here with the food. Thank you for watching, guys, and that's the hen. Bye.